What if the secret to losing stubborn weight wasn't a brutal diet, expensive supplements, or exhausting workouts, but a calming herb that quietly fixes the real reason your body holds on to fat? Most people don't realize this, but stress, poor digestion, bad sleep, and hormonal imbalance are the biggest weight loss blockers, especially after a certain age. And that's exactly where lemon balm comes in. This gentle, lemon-scented herb has been used for centuries to calm the nervous system, reduce belly fat, causing stress hormones, improve digestion, and support natural weight loss from the inside out. Today, I'm going to show you how a simple lemon balm recipe can help you lose weight naturally, feel lighter, sleep better, and finally stop fighting cravings, without starving yourself. Make sure you stay till the end, because I'll also share how to use it correctly for maximum fat loss results and avoid the biggest mistakes people make. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a powerful medicinal herb from the mint family that has been traditionally used to calm the mind, improve digestion, and support overall metabolic health. Unlike aggressive fat burners that overstimulate the body, lemon balm works gently by fixing internal imbalances that silently lead to weight gain. When your nervous system is calm, your digestion improves, and your hormones stabilize, your body naturally releases excess fat instead of storing it. One of the biggest reasons people struggle with weight loss today is chronic stress. When stress levels remain high, the body releases cortisol, a hormone that signals fat storage, especially around the belly. Lemon balm has been shown to reduce cortisol levels by calming the nervous system and supporting GABA activity in the brain. Lower cortisol means less emotional eating, fewer cravings, and easier fat loss. Poor digestion is another hidden reason why many people can't lose weight, no matter how healthy they eat. Lemon balm helps stimulate digestive enzymes, improves bile flow, and reduces bloating and water retention. When digestion becomes efficient, nutrients are absorbed properly and excess waste doesn't sit in the body, leading to a flatter stomach and better metabolism. Sleep quality plays a massive role in weight management, and lemon balm shines here as well. Lack of sleep disrupts hunger hormones like leptin and ghrelin, making you feel constantly hungry the next day. Lemon balm promotes deeper, more restful sleep, which directly improves appetite control and fat burning. The beauty of lemon balm is that it doesn't force weight loss, it supports the body so weight loss becomes natural. Instead of fighting hunger, your appetite becomes regulated. Instead of battling cravings, your body feels satisfied sooner. This makes it especially powerful for sustainable, long-term weight loss. The simplest and most effective lemon balm recipe for weight loss is lemon balm tea. This tea contains almost 0 calories, yet it delivers powerful calming and digestive benefits. Drinking it regularly helps reduce stress eating, late-night snacking, and bloating that often masks real fat loss. To prepare lemon balm tea, use fresh or dried lemon balm leaves steeped in hot water for several minutes. Covering the cup while steeping helps preserve its essential oils. This simple step ensures you get the maximum therapeutic benefit from the herb. Drinking lemon balm tea in the morning helps set a calm tone for the day, reducing impulsive food choices and emotional eating. Many people notice they naturally eat smaller portions without forcing themselves when lemon balm becomes part of their routine. Consuming lemon balm tea in the evening is especially powerful for people who struggle with nighttime cravings. Since it promotes relaxation and sleep, it prevents the stress-driven urge to snack late at night, one of the biggest contributors to weight gain. Lemon balm can also be used in detox water or light smoothies for those who prefer variety. When combined with cucumber, ginger, or lemon juice, it supports hydration, digestion, and gentle detoxification without harsh cleansing effects. Another overlooked benefit of lemon balm is its effect on insulin sensitivity. Stable blood sugar levels prevent fat storage and reduce cravings for sweets. By calming the nervous system and supporting digestion, lemon balm indirectly helps regulate blood sugar spikes. People with slow metabolism often believe they need extreme diets, but the real issue is hormonal imbalance. Lemon balm supports thyroid balance indirectly by reducing stress overload, which can otherwise suppress metabolic function. Weight loss becomes significantly easier when inflammation is reduced. Lemon balm contains antioxidant compounds like rosmarinic acid that fight inflammation, which is commonly linked to stubborn fat and water retention. Lemon balm is especially helpful for people who experience bloating and puffiness rather than true fat gain. By improving gut health and fluid balance, it helps reveal real weight loss results that were hidden under inflammation. Unlike stimulant-based fat burners, lemon balm does not cause jitters, heart palpitations, or crashes. This makes it suitable for long-term use and ideal for people sensitive to caffeine or artificial supplements. Consistency is key when using lemon balm for weight loss. Results are gradual but sustainable. Many people notice reduced cravings within the first week, improved sleep within days, and visible weight changes within a few weeks when combined with balanced meals. Lemon balm works best as part of a supportive lifestyle rather than a standalone solution. Pairing it with whole foods, adequate protein, daily movement, and hydration amplifies its benefits dramatically. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting instant fat loss. Lemon balm addresses root causes first: stress, digestion, and sleep, so fat loss follows naturally instead of temporarily. Another common mistake is overdosing. Lemon balm works best in moderate amounts. More is not better. 1 to 2 cups of tea per day is enough to experience its benefits without overwhelming the body. When used correctly, lemon balm becomes more than a weight loss herb. It becomes a daily ritual that supports mental calmness, digestive comfort, and long-term body balance, which is the true foundation of lasting weight loss. If you've been stuck in a cycle of dieting, quitting, and starting over, lemon balm offers a completely different approach, one that works with your body instead of against it. This isn't about starving yourself or chasing quick results, it's about calming your system, improving digestion, and allowing your body to let go of excess weight naturally. If this helped you, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more natural weight loss remedies like this. Drop a comment saying lemon balm if you're going to try this recipe, and share this video with someone who's tired of extreme diets. Small daily habits create big transformations, and this could be the one that finally changes everything for you.